The best time to study can vary from person to person, as individual preferences and natural rhythms play a significant role in determining when someone is most productive and focused. Some people are morning larks, who are more alert and productive in the early hours of the day, while others are night owls, who find their peak productivity during the evening or night. Here are some general guidelines to help you determine the best time to study. Morning studying. If you are a morning person and tend to feel more alert and focused in the early hours, consider studying in the morning. This time can be ideal for tackling complex or challenging subjects that require more concentration. Afternoon studying. The afternoon can be a good time to study for individuals who experience a lull in energy levels after lunch. Studying during this time can help maintain productivity and use the hours before evening effectively. Evening studying. Night owls may find that their focus and productivity peak in the evening or late at night. If you're more alert during these hours, consider scheduling your study sessions accordingly. However, be mindful of getting enough restful sleep, as late-night studying can disrupt your sleep patterns. Experiment and observe. Pay attention to your own body's natural rhythms and energy levels. Experiment with studying at different times of the day and observe when you feel most productive, focused, and alert. Consistency matters. Regardless of the time you choose, maintaining a consistent study schedule can be beneficial. Regularity and routine can help train your mind to be more alert and focused during your designated study hours. Match study type with time. Different types of studying may be better suited to different times. For example, if you need creativity and fresh ideas, you might find the morning more productive. In contrast, reviewing and reinforcing material might work better in the evening. Remember that finding the best time to study is a personal matter. The key is to align your study schedule with your natural rhythms to optimize your focus and productivity. Also, ensure that you get enough rest and maintain a healthy lifestyle, as proper sleep and overall well-being significantly impact your ability to learn and retain information effectively.